If you're in search of the best mesh panel PC case, then you've come to the right place. Lower temps not only allow your parts to boost for longer, but also maintain stability during those long gaming sessions.
Here at Review Press, we are a bunch of product researchers and testers where our aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best products from tech essentials like laptops, TVs, cameras, and all kinds of gadgets and gear. We test, analyze, and research new products and create a list of top 7 best products based on quality, price, features, and user feedback so that our viewers can make the right buying decision.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best PC case. So let's get started. Number 7. Fractal Design Meshify S2. The Fractal Meshify S2 is a premium mid-tower chassis with a bold, stealth-inspired aesthetic. To provide excellent ventilation and filtered airflow, it has an iconic and somewhat abstract angular front panel that blends elegantly into the rest of the case. Apart from style and breathability, what's great about the S2 is that it's both modular and very user-friendly. The majority of the panels use tool-less latches that quick release with a bit of a pull. This includes the large tempered glass side panel, the front panel, as well as the removable top. With all the panels removed, there are effectively 2 main builds you could go for, open or closed. The open layout gives you one large, spacious interior to work in. Conversely, the closed storage layout brings a third of the back panel forward, allowing 7 HDDs to mount in that additional space. Overall, the Meshify S2 is a fantastic case that offers incredible craftsmanship and a truly well thought out design. Number 6. Corsair 5000D Airflow. The Corsair 5000D Airflow is a mid-tower, ATX chassis that offers easy cable management and exceptional cooling. For maximum air intake, it has a steel front panel with triangular, geometric cutouts. Additionally, it includes 2 120mm air guide anti-vortex fans. In terms of appearance, the 5000D Airflow has a clean and modern look with a fairly minimalistic style. Apart from the small Corsair logo at the bottom of the front panel, there's very little noticeable branding. We also like the distinctive two-tone colors that separate the ventilation channels. On the side of the case is a large tempered glass window that allows you to admire all your internal components. Similar to the front panel, this is held in place by tool-less clips. The side panels do pop off quite easily, however, you can also secure them with thumb screws from the rear. All in all, if you're after a quality case with great airflow, you can't go wrong with the 5000D. Number 5. Phanteks Eclipse P500A. The Eclipse P500A is a stylish, mid-tower chassis that offers excellent airflow. It features a hinged tempered glass panel on the side and an ultrafine mesh panel on the front. The top panel can also support dual systems when using the optional ITX upgrade kit. In the main chamber, there's room to accommodate an ATX 12X11 motherboard, a 435mm length GPU, and a 190mm CPU cooler. Additionally, a full-length PSU shroud is located at the bottom. This can house 195mm PSUs with 4 3.5mm drive caddies, or a 250mm PSU without. In terms of appearance, the case comes in 3 styles including black with RGB fans, or white with RGB fans. We personally think the white style looks best as it shows a nice contrast with the black frame and vents above the front panel. Number 4. Lian Lancool 2 Mesh. The Lancool 2 Mesh is a modular, high-performance PC case that comes with all the mainstream features. Some of these features include hinged side and shroud panels, a removable two-way cable management bar, and a multi-way fan/radiator bracket that gives you fan mobility inside the frame. Constructed to be strong and durable, the Lancool 2 goes for a steel mesh front and 4mm thick tempered glass panels on both sides. For improved airflow, the side shroud panels use the same breathable steel mesh, consequently allowing you to mount extra fans on the top of the PSU shroud. Thanks to the flip-out panels all around, accessing the interior is incredibly easy. To enter the main chamber, the tempered glass side panels simply rotate open and pull off in an upwards direction. Moreover, to access the PSU shroud, the panels unlatch using magnets. Number 3. Cooler Master MasterBox TD500. The TD500 Mesh is a mid-tower PC case that bulges with style. Designed to add a new dimension to your lighting through contour and form, it features a diamond cutout aesthetic on the glass side panel and front bezel. Intuitively, this follows the same pattern as its tessellated mesh front. Accessing the interior is as easy as removing the thumb screws that hold the side panels in place. The side glass panel has 2 thumb screws at the top and a ridge at the bottom to keep it from falling out. Furthermore, the back panel has 3 more at the rear, and the front aggressively pulls off. Once inside, the chassis can accommodate ATX motherboards with 165mm cooler heights, 410mm GPUs, and 180mm PSUs. Also in the main chamber to the right side of your motherboard is a pair of cable covers that allows you to deal with your cables like a pro. Number 2. PureBase 500DX. The PureBase 500DX is a mid-tower ATX chassis that offers exceptional cooling performance. Designed for those who seek high airflow, it comes with a permeable front panel and top cover, plus 3 PureWings 2 140mm fans that guarantee a silent operation. Available in black or white, the 500DX would make a welcome addition to anybody's home. To add more flair to your setup, dual ARGB LED strips feature at the front and inside the case. These are controllable from the front I/O port and look especially beautiful with the white version of the case. All in all, the PureBase 500DX offers superb value for a mid-range chassis. Number 1. Cooler Master MasterBox NR600. The Cooler Master NR600 is a minimalist ATX chassis that offers optimal thermal performance. Just like the previous 2 models, it has a large top vent and a full mesh front panel. However, in contrast, both panels combine as built-in dust filters to reduce unnecessary parts. In terms of the design, the NR600 has a tempered glass side panel that sits flush above its full-length PSU shroud. The side panel is held in place by tool-less clips and can be removed by pulling it out from the top at an angle. For cooling, you will find versatile fan and radiator support in both the top and front. The top can house 2 120mm/140mm fans, or up to a 240mm radiator. Conversely, 3 120mm/2 140mm fans, or a 360mm radiator can mount in the front. That was our list of the top 7 best PC cases just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friend if you find it video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your C.